Hey y'all, I wanted to show you this facial steamer that I found on Amazon. This TASALON facial steamer is very easy to use. All you have to do is press this button for it to turn on. You can move the dial to 5, 10, 20, or 30 minutes, however long you want to steam your face for. After this water under here starts boiling, it takes approximately 5 minutes for you to get steam. If you want to shut the UV light off, all you have to do is hold this button down for 5 seconds and it will turn off. And to turn it back on, you do the exact same thing. Let me show you how I use this facial steamer.
You can shut the radio off.
And there y'all have it. It is so relaxing and easy to use. It works absolutely amazing. You can literally put it on for 5, 10, 20, 30 minutes, however long you want to relax and steam for. And I absolutely love it. You can find it on Amazon.